Mr. Squirrel is playing on the tree that fell on my neighbor's shed. But here's a really big tree. Look at that. Whoa. And here's another tree. Ta-da! Oh, and my neighbor's tree. I must film.
Yes.
But I didn't lose my fence, though my trash can is nowhere to be found. I will never see it again. But this tree is in the middle of the street, and it fell on the power lines and almost crushed the neighbor's house. There we go. Wow. That is a huge tree. And over here, the transformer fell down. Look at that. And then that used to be up there. I guess it fell when the tree fell. And this is what we saw when we drove up. And that's not the only tree. So, looks like we got hit pretty hard back here. Fortunately, my apartment is intact.